Hello everyone, welcome back once again. We are over here with class 11 chemistry and chapter 1 problem 1.5. This particular problem states that 50.0 kilogram of nitrogen gas and 10.0 kilogram of hydrogen gas are mixed to produce ammonia gas. Calculate the amount of ammonia gas formed. Identify the limiting reagent in the production of ammonia in this situation. So for this particular reaction, you should know that what is the balanced chemical equation. Nitrogen gas 1 mole combines with 3 moles of hydrogen gas to produce 2 moles of ammonia in the gaseous form. So this is a particular balanced chemical equation. Okay. So from here we know that 1 mole of nitrogen combines with 3 moles of hydrogen and forms 2 moles of ammonia. One thing you should remember, this is a reversible reaction. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to convert number of moles. Okay. Convert these masses into number of moles. So for that, first of all, we are going to convert number of moles of nitrogen. So number of moles of nitrogen, what we have to do, we have to divide given mass by the molar mass of nitrogen. Okay. Given mass is 50, molar mass, and this is in kilograms. So you have to remember that either you convert this kilogram into gram. So what are we going to do? We are going to multiply it with 1000. Okay. And divide it with the molar mass of nitrogen, which is 28 gram, right? And we get the solution, which is 17.86 into 10 to the power 2 moles of nitrogen. So this much number of moles of nitrogen have been given in the solution. In for hydrogen, we are going to calculate. So number of moles of hydrogen. We must remember that hydrogen is 3 moles. Okay. So once again, whenever you are calculating it, you have to remember that 3 moles. Okay. But right here, it has been given 10 kilogram converted into grams divided by its mass. Mass of hydrogen is almost 2. Okay. Which is, if we take simple masses, then it is 2, and if we take relative atomic masses, then it is going to be 2016. Okay. So the answer becomes 4.96 into 10 to the power 2, 3. It will come 3. Okay. Moles. Okay. Right. It's not a problem. Then, from above equation, we know that if 1 mole of nitrogen, it combines with 3 mole of hydrogen. Okay. So if number of moles of nitrogen have been given, which is 17.86 into 10 raised to power 2, right? This much moles of nitrogen have been given. So how much number of moles they are going to convert it into the hydrogen? 3 into 17.86 into 10 to the power 2 mole of hydrogen. If we multiply it, okay, so it becomes 5.36 into 10 raised to power 3 moles of hydrogen. Now this much hydrogen should be there, but we have been given less hydrogen. So hydrogen is given less, hence it becomes the limiting reagent. So what is limiting reagent? Hydrogen is limiting reagent. So on the amount of hydrogen which is given, the amount of ammonia will be dependent. Okay? It will not depend upon amount of nitrogen, because we know that limiting reagent is a kind of reagent which has certain mass given or number of moles given, and after the completion of, after this reagent is finished, the reaction will stop. Okay, so if that is the case, okay, so according to the reaction, 3 moles of hydrogen produces how much moles of ammonia? 2 moles of ammonia. This has been given in the balanced chemical equation. Okay, so we have taken this relationship from there. Okay, if that is the case, you have been given this much in the question, which is 4.96 into 10 to the power 3 mole of hydrogen will give how much ammonia. So this becomes 4.96 into 10 to the power 3, okay, multiplied by 2 divided by 3, okay, moles of ammonia. So if we calculate it, it becomes almost 3.30 into 10 to the power 3 moles of ammonia gas, right? But in question we have been asked the mass in grams. Okay, so we can also convert it into grams. If we convert it into grams, then we have to see that how much ammonia is produced. That 1 mole of ammonia, it weighs, okay, 17 gram. Okay, so how much moles are given? We have been given 3.30 into 10 to the power 3 moles of ammonia have been given. What we are going to do? We are going to multiply it. 17 into 3.30 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, and we get the answer, which is 56.1 into 10 to the power 3 grams of ammonia, and we can convert it into scientific value, which is 5.61 into 10 to the power 4 grams of ammonia. Or we can also convert this particular into kilograms, which is 56.1 kilogram of ammonia is produced. So that is how you will calculate the questions which are regarded with the limiting reagent of a particular reaction. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.